Hey, it's Friday, May 13th, and just showing you I am re-entering Abbott ABT at 109.71. I broke even earlier as described, and now I'm re-entering, and I'll show you on the charts what's developing here. This is the 15-minute chart. You can see from this first blue line where I entered, then it didn't follow through as expected, and I explained how I broke even. It did come out to broaden lower below a little bit of an intraday low, and now we have the 2-1-2 kind of inside bar buy back to the upside. So what I'm going to do here is the afternoon comes to a close. I bought it at 109.71. We're at 109.76 right now. I'm going to anticipate, and we'll just see how it closes, that this week closes kind of, even if it's red, it looks like a hammer bar, which should follow through into next week and can project up to that 116 area. You know, if we close with a hammer bar, you can see the daily chart. We're having a reversal and a continuation. So this whole week here, I'm expecting, if we can kind of close up higher, to kind of follow through into next week's area as a kind of a first target. And on the 15-minute chart, again, this was just the type of thing where I watched it closely. Once it couldn't start up, I was anticipating broadening a little lower, and then we have the reversal signal. So I'll see if we can kind of approach today's highs by the end of the day. That would be a good, that's a first target type of thing. And if we can get there, you set up a no-risk trade for sure going into next week. But we'll just see. A little aggressive here, but I still think overall this is a good enough reversal pattern after on the monthly chart taking out some big long-term targets and then ready to broaden a little higher, at least in the short run, maybe kind of two pushes up here on the daily chart. And then at that point you decide if it's kind of a V bottom and we might be starting back up, or if it's just going to be another failure to test those lows again. But for now, expecting a little bit of a rally, so re-entering the trade here, and we'll see if we can close near the high of the day today and then head into next week with some expectations to move a little higher.